Hey everyone, Chris at Lamin-x. One area on vehicles that really gets a lot of wear and tear is actually on the edge of your doors. When you get in and out of it, you can be near another vehicle, a wall, or a hard object, and when you open that door, bam, that potentially can impact to chip the paint off the edge. Over time, with repeated impacts, that area can get pretty bad and unsightly. So what we have designed to protect this area is our Door Edge Guard protection. This product protects your door edges with an invisible layer of protection film. It's the same material that we use in our Clear Bra and other paint protection products. It will wrap around the lip of the door and protect the paint. So if we do open it up and hit it on something, the film actually takes some of the impact and protect the paint up underneath it. For our invisible Door Edge Guards, we provide 4 different strips, and they come standard at a 1/2 inch wide by 24 inches long. We also have an optional long door option with a 1/2 inch by 36 inch long strips. Now I'm going to show you the installation process, which is typically quick and easy. You won't even need any installation tools. Just open up the kit and pull out the strips. In this demo, I have already thoroughly cleaned the paint and door edge, and behind it too with some soapy water. Then I wipe the door edge clean with a lint-free towel. Now you just moisten your clean fingertips, which helps prevent your fingerprints from making impressions on the adhesive. Now you just peel and separate the Lamin-x film from the backing liner. Then lightly line up the film from top to bottom of the door edge you want to protect. With half the film's width on the exterior part of the door, then use a thumb to gently apply the film down. I use a light pressure for the initial tack or application. As I apply it down, I continue to line it up and apply with that light pressure going all the way down the edge of the door. Once you get it applied down on the outside section, then I'll use a more moderate pressure with my finger to make sure it's all applied down. Then I begin the process to apply onto the door's edge and then behind, working my way around the inside lip, pressing it down as I go around the edge. Then I tuck it up underneath on the back side again. Again, make sure you have any dirt or debris cleaned up prior to installation. Repeat this process on the remaining doors, and there you go. Now you're protected with Lamin-x Door Edge Guards. If you have any problems or mistakes with your installation, you can actually pull it back up and reapply it again. If you have any additional questions with the installations, go to our website at laminx.com, or send us a live chat, or send us an email, help@laminx.com, or just give us a call. Thank you very much, and have a great day.